Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make color-changing lights in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and insert a new part into your workspace. This will be the object that changes color. Next, add a script directly inside this part. We will then write a few lines of code to make the part cycle through different colors automatically, creating a dynamic lighting effect for your game. To make your part change color, you'll use a while true do loop in your script. Inside this loop, you'll set the part's brick color property to different colors, one after another. Remember to add a wait function between each color change. This pause determines how quickly the colors transition, allowing you to adjust the speed to your preference. You can easily customize your color-changing lights by adding more colors to your script sequence. Simply include additional brick color assignments within your loop. To control the transition speed, modify the number inside the wait function. A smaller number means faster changes. For even more precise colors, use color 3. From RGB and input specific red, green, and blue values. For even smoother and more professional-looking color transitions, consider exploring Roblox's Tween service. This service allows for gradual, animated changes to properties like color. You can also apply these color-changing scripts to multiple parts in your game, creating an immersive and dynamic environment. By the way, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.